Today we're installing UBlockout blinds so Ben can try and sleep because he can never shut his brain off, and he's trying everything he can to work on that.
Now what? Maybe sleep till 7 now?
I know, I did. That maybe sleep till 6:15, I don't know. Let's see.
Hey,
Here got some bass for you, Chris. Here got some rap for you.
And that's the song I found. You don't like that commercial? We're gonna put that in the video if you want to get blacked out. You know
the last video, Billy said, we're just laying some pipe at the church. We're like, it's at a church. What is this for? Didn't even tell me anything.
It's blacked out.
That's all you said. That's so stupid.
Yeah, if you get the metal one, that'd be safe.
No, that would not be
I'll work
safe.
on it, Chris. Then we can invent
Chris!
some metal. No, you don't know how to use it.
You see the
No,
demon.
no.
Oh yeah.
Oh, damn.
Shit, go. I can't even see my hands.
Yeah. That's it. That's the install. We'll see how this helps my sleep. See you guys later.